Hello everyone. Today let's see an important topic, that is profit and loss. Let's get started. There are many applications of profit and loss. For example, we see discounts while shopping, which is nothing but profit for us. Similarly, we can see discounts in food delivery apps as well, and many more applications. Let's see the terms involved in profit and loss now. Now, let's imagine a boy waiting to buy a ticket for a movie. Let's say the price of the ticket is 100 rupees, which is nothing but cost price, and that is the involved in this topic. Let's say the boy started selling the ticket for 200 rupees, which is nothing but market price, MRP, list price, everything is same. So it's nothing but he says to the market he's selling the ticket for 200 rupees. That is another important term. And let's finally, he sold it for a person for 150 rupees, which is called as selling price. So that's the another term, important one. Now, from 200 rupees, he has got down to 150 rupees. So the difference amount is 50 rupees, which is nothing but discount given by the boy. And he bought the ticket for 100 rupees and sold it for 150. That difference 50 rupees is called as profit. Now we got a basic idea on the terms. Let's see formula for the same topic. Now let's see the formula for profit and loss. Profit is always occurred when selling price is always more than cost price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Similarly, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. And discount is equal to market price minus selling price. Now, profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Similarly, loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100, and discount percentage is equal to discount by market price into 100. Now let's see some problems. So the given question is, Arun bought a dozen of watermelons for 200 rupees and sold it for 250 rupees. What is the profit he's earned? Now, let's dig into the solution. So the given cost price is nothing but 200 rupees and his which is nothing but selling price. So here selling price is more than cost price. So obviously he will be getting a profit which is nothing but 50 rupees. But he's talking about the profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price is nothing but 200 into 100. So zeros get cancelled, 2 ones and 25s. So Arun earned 25% profit. Now let's see the same question but using a different method. So let's see the solution. Here, cost price, I'm considering it as 100% and 100% value is 200. Selling price is 250 rupees. We need to find out it in the percentage value. So if I'm cross multiplying, we will get 100 into 250 is equal to 200 into the question mark. I'm taking it as x. So after cancellation, we get x value as 125. So this 125 is nothing but selling price. So cost price we took it as 100. Selling price we got it as 125. So selling price and cost price, the difference is nothing but profit here, which is 25%. So in the previous also we got the same answer. Let's see another question now. Bharat buys a cycle for 2000 rupees and sells it at a loss of 30%. What is the selling price of the cycle? Let's see the solution now. So the given cost the price, I'm taking it as 100%. And he told that loss is 30%. So we bought it for 100 and sold it at a loss of 30. So obviously the selling price will be 70%, 100 minus 30. Now 100% value, let's equate it to 2000. So 70% value, which is nothing but 1400 after cross multiplication. So the selling price of the cycle is nothing but 1400 rupees. Now let's see another important question. Now, A sells an article which costs him rupees 600 to B at a profit of 10%, and B is selling it to C making a profit of 5% on the price he paid to A. So how much does C pay B? Let's dig into the solution now. So there are three people, A, B and C, and there are some cost price and selling price accordingly. So A bought the article for 600 rupees, which is nothing but cost price of A, and he sold it for 10% profit. So which is nothing but 660 rupees the selling price will be. That is same where the cost price of B is 660. Now B is selling it to C at a profit of 5%. So which is nothing but 693. So C is paying 693 rupees to B to buy the article. Let's see another question. By selling 200 notebooks, a shopkeeper gains the selling price of the 20 notebooks. What is the gain percentage? Let's see the solution now. So let's imagine that the selling price of one notebook is 1 rupee. So selling price of 200 notebooks will be 200 rupees. Now, gain is nothing but selling price of 20 notebooks. So we know the selling price of one notebook is 1. So selling price of 20 notebooks will be 20. Now, cost price is nothing but selling price minus gain. So that is equal to selling price minus gain 200 minus 20, it is 180. Now we need to find out gain percentage, that is equal to 20 by cost price 180 into 100. It is 11.11 percentage. So this is one very important model. Let's see another question. So now the given question is, a dishonest shopkeeper pretends to sell his goods at a cost price but uses false weights and gains 11 by 9%. Find the false weight he is using instead of 1 kg weight. Let's see the solution now. Since the shopkeeper uses false weights, he obviously gets a profit always. So that gain percentage formula is nothing but true weight, the weight he need to use, minus false weight, whichever the weight he is for using, divided by false weight into 100. So let's take that false weight is x. Now gain is 100 by 9, 11 by 9 is nothing but 100 by 9. That is equal to 1000 minus x by x into 100. So after cross multiplication, we get x value as 900. So the shopkeeper is using 900 grams instead of 1 kg. Now let's see one last question of this topic. Now, if a chain costs rupees 450 after 20% discount, then what is the actual price or market price of the chain? So now 450 rupees is not the market price, that is the amount he is selling. Let's see the solution. So let market or marked or list MRP actual price everything it can be 100. Now discount he has gave it 20%. So 100% is the amount he told and he gave 20% discount. So obviously the selling price will be 80%, 100 minus 20. That 80% value he gave it as 450. Now, we need to find out the market price, which is nothing but 100%. So, after cross multiplication 450 into 100 by 80, we get the market price of the chain as 562 rupees. So, thank you everyone. And please do like, share and subscribe to Xplore Talks.